If your Nikon D5600 is acting unpredictably, a complete reset can restore it to its original, out-of-the-box performance. Let's guide you through performing a full factory reset on your Nikon D5600 to return all settings to their default values. First, press the playback button to power on the camera and access the playback menu. Use the multi-selector dial to navigate. To the very bottom of the playback menu, look for the wrench icon, which signifies the setup menu. Once you find the setup menu, press the center OK button to enter it. Now, locate the reset option, scroll down through the various setup menus until you find Reset All. There it is, select Reset All by pressing OK. A prompt will appear to confirm your decision. Read the message carefully and select Yes to proceed with the reset. Your Nikon D5600 will now begin the reset process. This may take a moment, so please be patient. And there you have it. Your Nikon D5600 is now reset to its factory default settings. This is an excellent way to clear software glitches or simply start fresh. This clean slate ensures optimal performance and readies your camera for any new shooting scenario. You're now prepared to reconfigure your preferred settings and capture stunning images.